Every great invention begins with a vision, a problem to solve, a dream to bring to life. But sometimes that dream becomes a nightmare. In today's story, we explore 9 extraordinary creators, men and women of vision whose own inventions led them to an early grave. It's 1912 in Paris. A crowd gathers beneath the Eiffel Tower. Cameras roll. A tailor named Franz Reichelt stands on the edge in his self-made parachute suit. He believed in his invention, a coat that could turn into a parachute. But instead of slowing his fall, it collapsed. He plummeted 57 meters to his death. Experts had warned him the suit was too heavy, not aerodynamically sound, but Reichelt was confident, tragically confident. Horace Hunley was a man of the sea and war. During the American Civil War, he developed a hand-cranked submarine, the H.L. Hunley. In its final test, Hunley insisted on joining the crew, but the vessel never surfaced. All 8, including Hunley, died inside the iron coffin. The cause? Poor ballast control, human-mannered propulsion, and little understanding of underwater pressure. Over a century later, the sub was found, the crew still seated inside, perfectly preserved by the silt. They gave us radioactivity, polonium, radium, 2 Nobel Prizes. But what they didn't know was that their discoveries were silently killing them. Pierre died in a street accident. Marie, decades later, succumbed to aplastic anemia, likely caused by radiation exposure. Hale carried radium in their pockets. Their lab notebooks remain radioactive, even today. Thomas Midgley changed the world, twice, and both times for the worse. Invented tetraethyl lead to stop engine knocking. Later, he gave us CFCs for refrigeration. The result? Lead poisoning worldwide, and a hole in the ozone layer. Later in life, paralyzed from polio, he designed a complex harness system to help himself out of bed. One morning, he got entangled and was strangled to death. A poetic, tragic end claimed by his own invention. He was only 25, a Soviet engineer with a radical idea: attach an aircraft engine to a train. The aerowagon was fast, too fast. On its return trip from a test run, it derailed at full speed, killing Abakovsky and 5 others. The cause? Incompatible mechanics, propeller thrust on steel tracks, and zero safety protocols. And was buried a hero, but his invention was scrapped and never used again. William Bullock revolutionized printing. His rotary press could feed itself with massive paper rolls, doubling productivity. But during installation, his foot got caught in the gears. Gangrene set in. He died on the operating table. His invention lives on, but Bullock paid for it in blood. Smolinski wanted to make flying cars a reality. He strapped airplane wings onto a Pinto and called it the Ave Mizar. In a 1973 test flight, one of the wing struts failed. The car crashed in midair, killing Smolinski and his co-pilot. Investigators found sloppy welding and rushed design, a dream cut short by overconfidence and under-engineering. Alexander Bogdanov was a visionary, physician, philosopher. He believed blood transfusions could extend life. After 11 successful trials, he tried once more. But this time the donor had tuberculosis and malaria. Bogdanov died days later. Trembled with biology and lost, but his work inspired Soviet transfusion medicine decades ahead of its time. Karel Soucek survived Niagara Falls in a barrel, but wanted more. In 1985, he planned a 180-foot drop inside the Houston Astrodome into a water tank. But the release went wrong. The barrel hit the edge of the tank and bounced. Soucek died from massive injuries. His calculations were off by inches. A life built on risk ended in tragedy. Invention demands courage, curiosity, and sometimes a heavy price. These inventors weren't just engineers, they were dreamers, and in chasing those dreams they changed history, even if it cost them everything. Which story surprised you the most? Comment below. Like, share, and subscribe for more unbelievable true stories from the edge of science and invention.